Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to duplicate a folder on a flash drive using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to a USB flash drive which can have a capacity of 1, 2, 4 all the way to 1 terabyte. For this video, we are not concerned about the capacity. All we are required to do is to duplicate the folder on USB. Now let's start the tutorial. Take the USB, insert it into the Mac computer, wait for that to load and show up on screen. There we have the Kingston USB. Let's now go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, navigate to the Kingston USB. In this tutorial, we are looking to duplicate a folder. How do we do that? Well, we can right click on a folder. For this tutorial, we will click on Computer Science Videos, right click, copy the folder itself, right click again and paste item. And there you have it. The Computer Science Videos folder has now been copied and pasted, also known as duplicated, within the USB flash drive on a Mac computer. So we can now Command W to X out of Kingston, Command E to eject. Let's take out the USB, add that back into the Mac computer, click on the Kingston USB, maximize Finder for the moment, and there we have the duplicated folder. So we can now quit Finder, re-eject the Kingston USB. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.